Hey guys! Okay, so today we're going to make these really cute roll paper flowers to put into the Valentine's Day shadow box that we're making. So this is to show you how to take your paper from flat to so pretty, like that. So first you got to cut your flower out. I use my Cricut cutting machine. You're welcome to use any kind of cutting device that you have, or just scissors if that's what you've got. So you're going to want to probably print the shape out and then cut it by hand if that's how you choose to go about it. But anyway, so once you're at this point and you have the paper in its spiral shape and ready to go, you're going to start by taking, I like to use tweezers because you want a real tight roll. It's what most closely looks like normal flowers in nature. So anyway, you just start rolling and rolling. And you know, sometimes I add a little variety at this point because there's so many flowers in a box and you don't want them to all look exactly the same. So sometimes I'll add a little extra fold, or I'll like double it over a little just to add a little bit of a difference. I also mess with how tight that I roll it sometimes too, just for some variety. So while you're going, squish the petals sort of rounded so that they don't accidentally cause you to tear. You want to be really careful. Tearing's so easy at this point. So once you got a good roll, go ahead and keep going. I take them off the tweezers usually at that point because I can go faster. And keep on keeping on until you get to the bottom. Oh, and I already had my glue gun plugged in. You'll probably want to do the same thing, or have whatever glue you're planning to use ready. So you just create that little flap at the end. Hold your flower. I like to squeeze the whole thing so that the most contact with the glue can happen down here at the bottom of the petals. Alright, so grab the glue and add a little right there. Okay, be careful not to burn yourself. Alrighty, so curling the petals. You'll have to decide for yourself just how much you want to curl each one. I like a bit of variety, like I've mentioned. So I take the weeding tool for the Cricut, but you could also use like a chopstick or a crochet hook or just about any other implement that has a similar shape, just because you want to almost like a peeling potatoes motion. You want to like roll petals as you go, and you could do them a little different each time, but I usually like to stop right there. So there we go. That's one. This is one that's been very open, and this one hasn't been opened at all. So you can kind of see the difference there between them. Alrighty. Thank you guys so much.